How to change password on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on About and Support. Then click on Support. After you're in support, scroll down and click on Manage your account. Then click on Logging in. Scroll down and click on How to reset or change your Spotify password. You'll find how to change or reset your Spotify password. Scroll down and click on Reset your password. Then add your email here and press on Send link. Link will be sent to your mail. Open Gmail and see for the mail. Click on Reset your Spotify. Click on Reset password. Then you can type in your new password as you want and press on Create Password, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change password on Spotify if you forgot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.